Sending money abroad shouldn't be confusing or costly. Wise makes it smart, fast, and affordable. Wise Money Transfer is a revolutionary platform that allows you to send, receive, and spend money internationally with real exchange rates and no hidden fees. Formerly known as TransferWise, it's trusted by millions globally for cross-border transactions. How does Wise work? Wise operates by holding balances in local currencies. When you transfer money, Wise matches your transaction with someone sending money in the opposite direction. This peer matching method reduces the need for international bank transfers, making the process quicker and cheaper. You'll always see the exact amount your recipient gets and how much you're paying up front. How to use Wise? Simply visit www.wise.com, create an account, verify your identity, and choose the currency and amount you want to send. Add your recipient's bank details and make the payment through your debit card, bank transfer, or credit card. Most transfers are completed within a few hours. The Wise debit card is honestly a global travel essential. It lets you spend in over 40 currencies, convert at mid-market rates, and, avoid those hefty ATM and foreign transaction fees. With real-time app notifications and smart budgeting tools, it's just perfect for frequent travelers, freelancers, and digital nomads. Here are 5 unique savings tips you probably won't find online. First, use Wise during off-peak banking hours. Currency rate spikes often happen mid-week, so transferring early in the morning can actually help you lock in better rates. Second, try linking a high-interest savings account with your Wise account to park any unused funds and grow your idle money. Third, use the Wise jar system to pre-convert currency when rates are favorable, then just store it until you need it. Fourth, activate multi-currency alerts in the app for target rate notifications and auto-transfer triggers. And finally, enable country-specific discounts. Wise occasionally offers regional fee reductions, so make sure to stay updated through the mobile app's promo section. Wise is more than just a money transfer platform. It's actually a powerful tool to take control of your international finances with full transparency and control. Start saving smarter with Wise today.